As teachers, one of the things that we dread the most is marking assignments, especially when you have 30 plus assignments submitted and you've got a short turnaround time. For me, reading can be very tiring. So I've been looking for a tool that helps to read out the assignments to me. This particular one that you see on screen is for a particular video that I'm going to record, but I would love for it to be able to just read out aloud what I'm planning to say. So I'm going to show you how you can do that exactly in Google Doc. So first of all, before we go and look for the particular tool to add to Google Doc, we need to enable the feature first. So to do that, you want to go to Tools, click Accessibility, and then the box will appear. This box, you want to make sure that you click the first one that says turn on screen reader support, and then the second box, turn on collaborative announcements. So you want to click OK. Once you have that done, you then want to visit the Google Web Store. Once you're in the Google Web Store, the Chrome extension that we're going to use is called Chrome Vox. One word. Before I add this particular extension, what you need to be aware of is that as soon as you add it to your Chrome extension, it will start talking to you. So don't be alarmed. It's something that I noticed, but as long as you're aware that it starts doing that, it will literally read everything that's happening on your screen. And there we are. So you want to add to Chrome. So as soon as I click this, it's going to start reading everything that I do on my screen. So you hear it faintly in the background. So that's what it does already, so you can hear that. So what you need to do is pin the Chrome extension if you want to make it easier to access. And I'm going to click here. And then what you want to do is go into options. This is where you want to select the voices. So in here it says, I think by default it says Google US English. I want to change it to Google UK English Female. And that's my preferred choice. So now that's done, we can close that. So now what you want to do is go back to your document, and then now you need to highlight the text. Because it's a screen reader, it reads every single thing that you do. So if you want to direct it to your specific text, you want to go to the beginning of your text and then to highlight, click Control+A. Now it will read it to you, as you can hear. And then it stops. So this is a free Chrome extension. There might be one that's a little bit less annoying because it reads everything. Free one just to get started. I definitely recommend that you use Google Chrome extension and Chrome Vox. Hope that you found that useful.